Let's make some baked crispy chicken wings. All right, over here we're going to get started by, we're going to make our mixture for us first. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're just going to mix that up really well. Over here off to the side we have some chicken wings. And for Mom and I, we're just going to do about 8 of these. But this recipe is good for up to 3 pounds of chicken wings. And what we want to do is we're going to take a paper towel and we want to get these as dry as possible. And we're going to place them in our bowl. Okay, once we get those dried off, we're going to take our mixture over here and we're just going to coat all our wings or mixture. Once we get them coated, we're going to stick this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes up to 4 hours. After an hour, we're going to take, we put a sheet tray with lined it with aluminum foil, and we put a baking rack on top. We're going to spray that baking rack really well. We'll place our wings on top of that. We're now going to put this in the oven. We're going to bake it at 425 degrees for 1 hour. But we're going to turn or flip our chicken every 20 minutes. All right, it's been an hour. And we have turned these a couple of times. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these wings, just going to turn them over one more time. We're going to let these rest for 5 minutes. And then we're going to dig into them. So this is a simple and easy recipe for some nice crispy oven-baked chicken wings.